That was so sick. That was so sick. I was so glad my wife bought that for me for my 40th birthday. Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be going skydiving indoors. It's basically like a simulator of what it's like to do skydiving. You can find IFLY on Google, very easy to find. Just type in IFLY, it'll come up with their website, and then you can scroll through and see like some videos of what's happened, what they do, how they go about things, and what it's like just in general, just to sort of calm your nerves if you're nervous about this sort of thing. You can also find all their social media platforms right at the bottom of the page. Nervous, I'm excited, and I have a secret to tell you. I am a full-blown panicker, alright? When things go wrong, everything gets a lot worse, alright? When you have a bad day, probably you just have a normal bad day, the next day you're fine. For me, I have a bad day and my whole world ends, alright? I can't emphasize that enough. So if I get in this wind tunnel and things start to go wrong, it will go very bad very quick. Alright, so this is either going to be a really entertaining vlog of me doing a proper cool skydive indoors, or it's going to be a mess. It's either going to go one way or the other. But for your entertainment purposes, I think it could be funny. If you enjoy vlogs, please like, subscribe, turn notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Alright, the nerves are kicking in a little, only a little bit. I'm not like really nervous, but I'm excited and I'm nervous. I forgot my mic, so I'm sorry. I apologise in advance of how bad this might sound. Without further ado, let's go indoor skydiving. And there we have it, IFLY. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous now, I don't know if you can tell. But should be a good day. Like and subscribe for more vlogs and crazy content like this. Let's get into skydiving. Woo! Yo, that's looking a bit mad. I don't know what to make of this. Like, I'm excited about it, but I'm nervous as well, so it's kind of, the apprehension is a bit crazy. Yes, and when you get into the building, they weigh you and then they send you to go and get dressed in the locker room. And then it is your time to get into the tunnel of death. Now, I'm not being funny, but this was pretty freaky when you first get in, because that wind hits your face like you're swallowing a bunch of cows. Other than the cow swallowing though, it's pretty good. It's a really weird experience if you've never been in a really windy tunnel before. So I can't really explain what it's like, but I can say it's strange at first. Some people come out of the tunnel feeling a bit disorientated because it kind of throws you off balance. But when you're actually in it, you're just like breathing in a load of air. So I recommend if you do this, keep your mouth closed until you are having fun, then smile. Because you will dribble. You will share your saliva. Also, you meet this man called Dominic. He will throw you about like a ragdoll. He will show you who is the man in that ring. I'll tell you now, but this geezer is hilarious. He literally makes you laugh and crack up before you go in to actually do the flying. So he puts your nerves at ease. When you're in there, he proper manhandles you, but with so much care and attention, it makes you feel super safe, which is really nice. Then you get the second go. You get 2 goes. The second go you go up high, alright? And this one, I wasn't as nervous, but then I realised I'd be going up really high, and I kind of like got really scared for a brief second, but not long. The best part about this though is when you actually get up in the air really high. You can't quite see that because this is the footage that I got off of them. But it's so cool doing this, guys. I highly recommend it. It's so sick. So sick, man. The feeling you get, the adrenaline rush you get, the feeling you get when you're going up and down. But get ready for this, get ready for this. He gets your balance right and then he spins you. He spins you round, and up you go. Up and away. It's crazy when you do that. I'll tell you, it's such a wicked feeling. But I highly recommend this because it's such a unique experience. You don't get a lot of time in there. It is very quick, but when you're in there, it feels like forever. It doesn't feel like it's going on and like going really quick. It feels like you're in there forever. You breathe in so much, I had to wipe my mouth when I got out of there. It was hilarious. And then the man Dominic has a go as well. This was the instructor for the day. He is an absolute beast at this stuff. He'll go up and down, he'll spin around. All the things you're scared of, he'll do and make it look super easy. So it was really cool to watch him have a go after we all had a go. The whole time you're doing this experience, guys, there's a crowd in the seat outside the see-through tunnel. They can see right in, they can see everything you're doing. So you're also performing in front of an audience. So if it wasn't nerve-wracking enough, everyone else is watching you, just in case you get crowd fright. But overall it was absolutely awesome. And then it's time for your debrief, which is really cool. And then once you're done, you'll go down to the main entrance and they will give you options to buy the footage of your skydives, and also you will be handed a certificate with your name on, how well you did, that sort of thing, like a star rating. That's a really nice touch to this experience because it's something you can remember it by. Also, there is a few t-shirts and stuff you can pick up if you wanted to do so as well. Guys, that was absolutely amazing. I've been absolutely bricking it about going to this. I've been proper crapping myself. Like, I wanted to do the skydive thing for ages, but I'm the type of person to say I want to do something and never do it. So when I got the news that I was going to be doing this, I was very excited. I am absolutely buzzing after doing that. That was a real cool experience. I would highly recommend that to anyone. I would highly recommend that to anyone. That was so sick. I was so sick. That was so sick. That was so sick. I was so glad my wife bought that for me for my 40th birthday. Recently I turned 40, just in case you didn't know. I'm one of those people that likes to be in control, so when I'm not in control and things start going a bit scary, I get a bit crazy, alright? I get a bit weird. But when I'm out of control, when I'm not in control, like, it's not good. It's a bad time for everyone around me, okay? I don't know how to explain it, but basically you just gotta let go of everything and just let this geezer swing you around in the air. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Basically, when you go in, you gotta spread yourself like a starfish and float in the air, and that geezer sort of balances you. The first time round I was a bit nervous, so like it was hard to control myself, but like literally by your fingertips you can literally like feel your body moving up by a little movement of your fingertips. It's really strange to explain, but I would highly recommend this experience to anyone. 10 out of 10 for an experience overall. The vibe was good. There was loads of kids there as well, which was crazy. All having a good time. You pay £20 extra to do like the high flying experience, which I got proper footage of as well. Obviously you guys would have seen that by now, but that was sick. That was something else. But when you go up, you know, when you go like on a roller coaster, you'll have like the opposite feeling of when you're flying upwards. So you can feel the weird feeling flying up, and then you go down, and then like, I don't know, it's just weird. You gotta experience it for yourself. Shout out to IFLY and Dominic, who was the trainer of the day. He made it really fun. He was like really lighthearted, jokingly and stuff like that, so it was really nice. And that calmed my nerves quite a lot. He didn't know that. I'm a massive pussycat when it comes to doing anything like that. So shout out to him. Shout out to the wife for making my experience like extra special. And yeah, guys, I highly recommend IFLY. Check it out. I'll leave all links in the description below, so if you want to see anything and check out some videos for yourself, definitely do so. But I would say 100%, if you thought about doing it, just do it. It's so much fun. It's not as bad as you think it will be if you're nervous about stuff like that. Highly recommend doing it. Such a good experience. Oh, wow, what a buzz. My adrenaline's through the roof at the moment. I've had a Burger King on the way home, so like I'm chilling. Literally just about 10 minutes away from home. About to go and like soak it all in, absorb, watch all the footage I've got. Woo, what a day. What an absolute day. I'm definitely going to go back. I want to do a more extreme version of it. Whew, that was mad. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.